How to get Bingo Blitz VIP Pro. If you have been using or playing the Bingo Blitz game and wondering on how to get the VIP Pro on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Bingo Blitz application, just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home page. Now tap onto three lines at the top right corner right here. Select it. Then here you can find Bingo Blitz Plus right here at the top. Now tap on it. Now here you can find the subscription option right here. And these are the benefits that you will get after subscribing to Bingo Blitz game. Now tap on to try for free right here. And after that, simply add your payment method and subscribe to Bingo Blitz. And after that, you can simply get the VIP Pro and you will get to use all of these features right here. And that's it. This is how you can get Bingo Blitz VIP Pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.